Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to connect Trae AI with MySQL database. Once the connection is established, we'll be running SQL queries as well. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to first open services. I need to show the MySQL service right now. So MySQL service is up and running. You have to make sure that this service should be up and running. Okay, after that what I need to do, I need to install few extensions for MySQL. Go to the extension store and install uh, MySQL, type and enter, and you will install this extension. Install, and it will install it for you. You just need to wait until this is done and dusted. Once this is installed, you will see the connect button over here. You just need to connect, you just need to click the connect button. Here you will have to add a new connection. Connection is MySQL. Now these are the settings related to MySQL. Let me just open the MySQL workbench. Okay, so I have already installed MySQL in my system. If you do not know the installation process, it's very simple. Okay, so let me just open the already created connection. Just right click and edit connection. If you look at this connection details, connection method is TCP IP. Okay, host name is localhost. Okay, because I need to provide these information. Host name is localhost, port is 3306. Here connection name could be anything like my connection. Okay, connection string this. Okay, server address is localhost, which is absolutely fine. Port is 3306. Okay, database, so I have already created this database, no need to worry. So the database is project. Okay, project is the name of database. Username is root, so default user for MySQL is root. So now fine. Okay, and the password for this root user I have set, so admin. So admin is the password that I set while installing MySQL in my system. Okay, you could have different password. Test connection. Okay, fine, no issue at all. Close, and if I open this, you will see the project database. This is how I created the project database. Now I will click test connection. The moment, or maybe I can click save connection. The moment I will click save connection, it will ask me to connect now, and it will ask me to provide me the root password. So as I told you, when I was installing MySQL, I set the password as admin. So admin is my password. Press enter, and you will see the connection has been established. And if I go over here, and you will see this connection. Okay, it has been established. So since the connection is established, I'm going to ask AI to create the employee table. So please create the employee table in MySQL. Also create insert statements, and I will select the model. Okay, I'm going to select this particular model, and I will send the request to AI. Now the AI is going to do the task for me. It will automatically create a script, and it will also create the insert statement as well. Okay, look, the employee.sql file has been created. Not only it will create a script, it will also give you the description, the short description about the script. Okay, now I'm going to open this file. Now I will accept. Now I want to run this. Okay, so in order to run this, what you need to do, you just need to first just save it, and just you need to run on active connection. Just execute this block. Query. Okay, table employee already exists. Okay, just need to change the name, because here the table employee already exists, so just need to drop it. Please add a drop command first. drop command. Okay, please add a drop command. Okay, look, now accept and run on active connection. Now look, table has been created. Now what I need to do, I just need to write select star, just remove everything and type select star from project or maybe employee. Okay, and just run this and you will see the data in my employee table. Okay, so this is how you connect Trae AI with MySQL. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share.